Hello friends, myself Professor Vasudev Pingre, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of Kekewag Institute of Engineering, Education and Research Center. Today we are going to study about elliptic curve cryptographic technique. So first of all, what is the objective? Students will be able to understand elliptic curve cryptography technique and outcome of the learning or understanding this technique, they will be able to create and demonstrate ECC application. So first of all, related to history, elliptic curve cryptography was discovered in 1985 by Victor Miller and Neil Koblenz. They one is working in IBM and one was working with University of Washington. They combinedly developed this technique. So ECC is an extension to well-known public key cryptography system, and it is based on the algebraic structure of elliptic curves over finite field. ECC requires smaller keys compared to non-elliptic curve cryptography to provide equivalent security. Elliptic curves are applicable for key agreement, digital signature, pseudo-random generators, and they can be used for encryption by combining the key agreement with symmetric encryption scheme. Indirectly, they can be used for encryption by combining the key agreement with symmetric encryption scheme. They also used in several integer factorization algorithm based on elliptic curves that have application in cryptography. So these are the some things related to that elliptic curve cryptography. So what is exact elliptic curve? The equation of an elliptic curve is as given: y square is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. So few terms that will be used in that: first, elliptic curve E, P represents point on the curve, and small n, that is maximum limit. This should be a prime number. So that equation is represented by using elliptic curve as shown in the figure. The current cryptography proposes an elliptic curve is a plane curve over a finite field instead of means rather than the real numbers, which consist of points satisfying the equation, and that equation is y square is equal to x cube plus ax plus b, along with distinguished point at infinity denoted as infinity. We know that symbol of infinity. This set together with the group of operation of elliptic curves is an abelian group with the point at infinity as an identity element. The structure of the group is inherited from the divisor group of the underlying algebraic variety. So, what is exact elliptic curve cryptography? So, up till now, we studied about the basics of that elliptic curve and the equation of elliptic curve. Now, ECC is a public key cryptographic system, just like RSA algorithm. We know that Rabin algorithm and EL Gamel algorithm. So here, every user has a public and a private key. Yes. So that public key, we know that in a public key cryptographic system, public key used for encryption signature generation. Private key is used for decryption or signature generation. So what is the exact generic process of that elliptic curve cryptography? Here, for that encryption decryption, we know that there are two parties are involved. So therefore, first both parties agree to some publicly known data items. So the elliptic curve equation, we know that the values of AB and prime number is represented by p, which are represented over that elliptic curve. The elliptic group computed from the elliptic curve equation. A base point AB taken from the elliptic group. Each user generates their public private key pair, and we know that private key is equal to an integer x selected from interval, and that interval is from 1 to p minus 1, and p represents a point, that is point prime number. Public key is equal to product q of private key and base point, so therefore that q is equal to x multiplied by base point. So that is one thing related to ECC algorithm. Then what are the different applications of ECC which are results in or applicable in many devices which are small and have limited storage and computational power, where we can apply that ECC in a wireless communication devices, in a smart card application, web server that need to handle many encryption sessions, and in any application where security is needed, is in the form of confidentiality, authentication, non-reputation, and integrity. So at the end there should be, and in our mind there are so many basic questions will be arise. One thing or one question is related to, is ECC is faster than RSA algorithm? ECC is probably better for most purposes, but not for everything. ECC's main advantage is that you can use smaller keys for the same level of security, which we can represent it by using RSA algorithm. Especially at high level of security, AES means Advanced Encryption System uses 256-bit, ECC uses 512-bit, and RSA uses 15,424-bit. So one of the most advantage of this ECC technique over that RSA. So therefore it is faster than the RSA algorithm. Next question is that what is ECC insecurity? Yes, it is an approach to public key cryptography based on the algebraic structure of elliptic curves over finite fields. So ECC requires smaller keys compared to non-EC cryptography to provide equivalent security, and this security is in the form of authentication, confidentiality, integrity, and non-repudiation. Each next question in our mind is that, is ECC is symmetric or asymmetric? So answer will be like that. ECC is an approach, a set of algorithms for key generation, encryption, and decryption to doing asymmetric key cryptography. So asymmetric key cryptographic algorithms have this property to that you do not use a single key. So symmetric cryptographic algorithm such as advanced encryption standard, but a key pair. So obviously this ECC algorithm is asymmetric because it is based on what? Public key cryptographic systems. Next question is that, in our mind, where is ECC used? Yes. So we are talking about application level. And what are the different applications? So applications, we had taken overview of that applications. But where is ECC used? So that elliptic curves are applicable for encryption, digital signatures, pseudo-random generator, and other tasks. They are also used in several integer factorization algorithms that have applications in a cryptography. Next question is that, can we say that is ECC is secure? Yes, we can say, although twist security attacks can threaten ECC, but they can be militated against. So furthermore, although longer ECC keys are broken into publicly every now and then, The same is true for all other popular algorithm type. But no how matter secure ECC is theoretically, it must be properly implemented. So implementation is required. Yeah. So that is, or these are the some things, basic things related to elliptic curve cryptography. Thank you.